Let me ask you something. Does your phone work for you, or do you work for it? Today, we're going to fundamentally flip that relationship on its head. We are rebuilding your Android phone, and we're turning it from a simple distraction device into a high-octane logic engine that is built for one thing and one thing only: solving problems.
You know, this quote just absolutely nails it. Our phones have become these digital slot machines, literally engineered to pull our attention in a million different directions at once. It's this constant, endless loop of passive consumption, and it just shatters our focus and drains our mental energy.
So, let's get personal for a second. I want you to look at your phone, right now. Is it a tool that's actually helping you crush your goals, or are you just feeding its constant, nagging need for attention? This is the core problem we're here to solve today. Okay, so the very first step, it requires a complete mindset shift. We are moving beyond the idea of a phone as just a consumption device, and we're going to reframe it as a powerful engine for creation. Believe me, this changes everything.
So let's break this down, right? On one side, you've got the slot machine. You know, the mindless scrolling, the fragmented focus, the digital chaos. But on the other side, you have the logic engine, a tool for active creation, for deep thinking, and for intentional action. Our whole goal here is to move you from the left side of this screen to the right.
Now, to build our logic engine, we need a rock-solid foundation, and that foundation is a zero-friction environment. This is all about removing the little roadblocks and hurdles that slow you down so you can actually operate at the speed of thought.
Our main enemy in this fight is something called cognitive load. The best way to think about it is like mental static. It's all those tiny bits of effort your brain has to use just to navigate your phone. Every single extra tap, every useless notification, it all adds to this load, and it literally makes you less effective in that moment.
So how do we fight back? How do we crush that cognitive load? Well, it all comes down to a single, really simple number: 2.
And this right here is our golden rule, the 2-tap rule. Think about it. If a brilliant idea strikes, but it takes you 5 taps and a swipe to write it down, that idea is probably gone forever. A true logic engine puts your most important tools no more than 2 taps away, period.
So here's how you actually do it. Ditch that cluttered, icon-heavy home screen for a clean, text-based launcher. This forces you to be intentional. Then, get an app like Buzzkill and just ruthlessly filter your notifications to protect your focus. And maybe most important of all, put widgets for notes or voice memos right on your home screen. You've got to meet that 2-tap rule. You want an instant upgrade? Something you can do right now? Here's your day 0 task. Go into your phone's settings, unlock the developer options, and just cut all the animation scales in half. Now, you're not actually making the processor faster. What you're doing is removing the purely cosmetic delays between your actions. And trust me, it makes your phone feel dramatically faster and more responsive.
Okay, with our environment totally optimized, it's time to build the engine's core, what we call your second brain. This is where we stop just reacting to stuff and start building a personal knowledge system. And it all begins with getting information into it with maximum efficiency.
I mean, just think about it for a second. Trying to thumb type on a piece of glass is a huge bottleneck. It's slow, it's clumsy, and it throttles the flow of your ideas. To build a real logic engine, we need what's called universal capture. The ability to get any thought, any voice note, or any image into your system instantly, with zero friction.
Now, picking your platform here is critical. If you're looking to build a deep, interconnected web of ideas that you own forever, offline, Obsidian is completely unmatched. For more structured projects and collaborative work, Notion is an absolute powerhouse. But for that pure, effortless 2-tap capture we talked about, Google Keep is perfect. The key is to pick the right tool for the right job.
So, our second brain is all set up. Now it's time for the major upgrades. We're talking an AI coprocessor for your thinking and an automation engine for your execution. This is where your phone stops being just a tool and becomes a genuine partner. And listen, don't just settle for simple AI answers. Use it as a real thinking partner. You can upload your own documents to Notebook LM and have it find flaws in your logic. Use an AI like Perplexity to ground your research in credible, cited sources. This is all about augmenting your own thinking, not outsourcing it.
All right, for automation, you've basically got 2 main paths. On one hand, there's Tasker. It has unparalleled power to automate literally anything you can dream of, but yeah, it has a pretty steep learning curve. And then there's MacroDroid, which is a much more user-friendly alternative that lets you build incredibly powerful routines without needing to know any code.
This quote right here says it all.
The tools are only going to be effective if you change your mindset. You have to create new rituals, new habits. The next time you pick up your phone, are you going to scroll mindlessly, or are you going to intentionally open a specific tool to solve a specific problem?
And now let's bring it all together. In this final section, we're going to see how all these different components create a seamless, powerful system for what I like to call high-signal living. This is your new personal operating system.
So here's the complete workflow in action. It all starts with instantly capturing ideas and data. From there, you filter and clarify them inside your second brain. Next, you leverage your AI partner to synthesize, find patterns, and challenge your own thinking. And finally, you execute by turning those refined ideas into clear, actionable steps.
And here it is, the ultimate key to all of this. The real power isn't in any single app. It's in the seamless integration of all three of these pillars. When your AI can analyze the notes you've captured automatically, that's when you know you've successfully built a true logic engine.
So, I'm going to leave you with this question. Look at your phone right now. I mean, really look at it. After everything we've just talked about, what is its true purpose? Is it a distraction, or is it a tool? Is it a slot machine, or is it a logic engine? Ready to start? Awesome. Here are your first steps, your day one task. First, speed up your animations. Second, remove every single social media app from your home screen. Just do it. And finally, replace them with two things, a widget to capture your ideas and a shortcut to your AI partner. It's time. Stop scrolling, start solving.